I do have a life.
Yo, what's up,
Gaming.
guys? How are you? Also, today we're playing Roblox Rivals with my guy Hollow Gamer here. We are doing a 2v2 mirror matchup first, then we are doing normal 2v2s, and probably even
Ahmed,
1v1s.
I'm going to guess this Demon Slayer character. I'm going to describe them. Okay, this
Okay.
character, blue eyes, black hair, passed the final selection of Demon Slayer, and is a part of the corps. Has self doubt and only and did not appear in only 2 seasons out of the 5. Did not appear. Who is this?
Murata. It's probably Murata.
Wrong. I had blue eyes.
Blue eyes. Is he a Demon Slayer or is he a like the side character? You understand what I'm trying to say?
Bro, Demon Slayer. Not
Like he slays
yes,
demons.
2 seasons. Only 2 seasons he was missing.
Inosuke.
He has blue eyes, black hair.
Yeah, got it. Blue eyes. Bro, I was thinking blue eyes. It was only Inosuke. He didn't come in season 1 for obvious reasons. I don't know
No,
about season 2. He
Inosuke
did
was in
come in
season.
season 2.
No, Inosuke was in season 1.
No, he was not.
Yes, he was.
In season 1, bro didn't even join the corps. Oh, yeah, he was in season 1.
Memory loss.
Never, bro. Season 1 has turned one like, bro. What am I supposed to do here? Actually, what am I
Ahmed,
supposed to do here?
said in the description again. This
One just
person
died.
has blue
Somehow
hair.
one just.
No,
Shut
this
up!
person has
Shut up! How did I clutch
He has
that?
blue hair, black eyes, passed the final selection, has doubt in themselves. Does not think they should have passed.
Can you
Who is this
freaking
person?
Gyu? It's Gyu. I know it, but can you
Wrong.
please?
Wrong. It's not you.
Bro, he's the only guy who has like. Why did I pass this final selection because of Sabito?
Another character called I.
But shut up. Why did I? But don't you understand what I do the last round? I cooked them.
You don't. Cooking does not matter to me. Ahmed, I'm gonna
Bro,
place
actually, it was so absolute cinema type of shit.
a trip mine in the tunnel. Added.
Okay. He's coming close to you.
I don't even know how he passed the tunnel if I play trip mine.
I didn't even place down trip mines. I'm almost dead.
Ahmed, I trapped someone in there.
Wait, let me fly.
He's coming up.
Oh, I tried to fly, but I died. One is 75 HP, and the other one I don't know. Yeah, this one was 75 HP. Other one I did 37. Other one, did you do damage to the other guy?
Yeah, I hit a headshot on him.
Yeah, then he's one shot for you. I did 37 damage as well. Bro, you went a little overkill, you know.
Bro, last round I hit you 70, then I hit a one.
Energy pistols, listen. Energy pistols. Only energy pistols.
They have the same plan as us, bro. They have the same plan.
No, they don't. I am cooking them while you are becoming the sacrifice. They don't even know from where. Never mind, they do know that. I'm cooked.
The
Never
other one
mind.
is on half. The other one is half.
Oh, bro, how am I supposed to kill him if he's on half? Look at my HP.
What is that crosshair?
I don't know. My crosshair is the best.
Ahmed, get on tunnel.
No, I am a dagger user.
They're on the other side.
I am going to dagger them to death. I think they have the same idea as us. I did 34 damage to one. I did very good damage to one. 75 to be exact. I'm just running. I need to med. I need to do a full med.
Okay. They're nearly dead. Okay. I sacrificed myself.
I did a very good damage to him as well.
Yeah, he's like on orange. Okay.
Now red.
No, not red. He's still gonna be on.
I go black, I go blue. What you want? I was at a ransom. They know that I'm young. I am dumb. The trout take my flight. Addicted for ransom.
Shut up. I still have more damage. Yeah,
I don't care. I am cooking them. Especially in the first round, I cooked them. I cooked one. Kick one, cook one. You know that news. He's almost dead. If you get killed by him, you're gay.
Too late. Bro, how is he attacking me? He's cheating.
No, you are an idiot.
No. Ahmed, Wait, I know what you're gonna do.
Yeah, I know what they're going to do. Short energy pistol us to death. That's the reason we have right shield as well. If they come close, they're using right shield. Yeah, you should use right shield right now.
Look at me, come behind them. Come.
Yeah, you come behind me. Bro, what is this?
We need to med.
Yeah, let's go. Wow, you are medding or getting medded.
I already med. Okay, and they're very high HP.
I know that for a fact.
One of them is gonna give he's low.
I know.
The other one is next to you. You're cooked. The shotgun gives you a better chance.
He medded. Oh, bro, what is where? How the hell? From where the hell did bro come?
Bro, these scrims are people.
Bro, actually, what the heck? Oh yeah, we win. If you don't win, you're gay. I'm jumping out of the map. Do you see them?
I saw one of them.
Same here. I think the other will come close. I will handle him. You naughty. I almost killed the one who came close to you. Yeah, he's dead. Yeah, bro, let's go. I got more damage than you. Oh, bro, I was 10 damage off. Never mind, I was 100 damage off. Oh, never mind now. Bro, why? I swear to God, I accidentally started it. I swear I accidentally started it. I don't. Bro, I got a new gaming mouse.
But you still trash.
Are you sure about that, bro? I cooked them in the. It also has RGB lights. Well, Crossroads.
Bot.
Bro,
Bots.
they're twins. They're
bots.
I know.
Oh.
Yeah, right. Be ready to be cooked. Yeah, they're bots for sure.
Where did you go?
One is pay to win. They are not bots. One has studio lights already, so they can't be obtained unless you are pay to win, obviously. Why didn't I get the kill there?
Here.
Did you forget about the right click of flamethrower? I right clicked him to death.
No,
what am I supposed to do here?
That's achievement. Okay, you're gonna do it.
Switching to your secondary is faster than reloading. I took that way too seriously.
I killed.
I killed as well.
Bro, where the goated trio? One of them is gonna come close. I know it.
We have freeze ray for that.
Yes.
I can't get up because we don't have any movement. Never mind, I got up. He's come. I will go for him. Wait, how am I supposed to go up? Right shield is not even useful here.
Honestly, why did they give us right shield out of anything? Huh?
I don't know. Oh wow, we're cooked. I'm using handgun.
We're generally better with the handgun, and it's generally better. Yeah.
I did 50 damage to one. I am doing very good damage with the handgun.
Same. The handgun is actually pushing, bro.
Yeah, in front of the.
Look at him. Look at this. Look.
Bro, he's Chipkawa. He's like.
Bro, I think bro was in the challenge English Spanish.
That round was a year ago. Out of all of the things, they gave us distortion.
sadly cannot.
I
Please
go
do not.
black, I go blue. What you want?
No, no,
I
but you're
don't know.
more than me. This is
I
not
don't
your
know
place
how,
to
but I
lie.
have 30 kills with the energy pistols.
How do I have 13?
I have 30, and I also have 35 kills with the with the gun blade, and I never bought these weapons.
You know, no, that means you don't have a life either.
I play gun game a lot. That means that.
Bro!
What?
I want to become a place,
Look
let me
at the
get.
damage. Just look at the damage.
Yeah, bro, please let me get some damage, man. I want to become the MVP
You
once.
can't. You can't. That's not possible by any means. Bro wants to become the MVP so bad. Bro started begging me. Where did bro go?
Is he bugged again?
Where is he? He's in front of your face. What are you doing? I did 4.1 damage to him. He's almost dead. Let's go. I'm the MVP.
No! No! Wait, okay, wait, I got a trap.
We are not playing this thing again. We are playing normal 2v2s.
Finally, you got a brain.
Now I'm starting it. Wait, I got something in my pass. A popcorn. I got a popcorn.
I'm only 2 rows away from the headlight studio light.
I got a popcorn. I'm a way away from it. I'm 2 away from it actually. I got a
Say,
popcorn. I got a popcorn.
I'm too full. Too full, meaning I need to start the next one.
Wait, let me say think. 1, 2. Yeah, I'm also 2 full away. I'm level 56.
Same.
Oh wow, W speed.
Ahmed, is the popcorn wrap good?
Yeah, very good. I got it on my burst. I
No,
got
it's
it
for
on all of the
everybody.
weapons. I got it on all the
Yeah, I
weapons, but
know.
I'm using it on my burst.
Ahmed, let me sacrifice also. Like,
Bro, if you can kill one person right now, who will it be? You
bro,
can
the
go in
only
the past. You can go in the past.
bro, I was gonna give you some
It's
advice.
a
But
1v2.
already left.
I'm
Bro, hit
using
the
the burst. I want to show you the popcorn skin.
Ahmed, that guy hit the. I got to go and get the milk.
Bro, yeah,
Oh, that, oh,
yeah. Look at the
bro,
skin. Oh, they also look at the skin. Just look at the skin.
I look. I'm looking at it very good. Honestly, mine is better.
Bro,
Bro,
what the
he
heck?
hit us with the. I got to go and get the milk.
Oh, father, why are you leaving me alone? I also coming to get the meat.
He's like, Dad, no, I'm also coming to get the milk.
What am I doing with my life?
I don't know, bro. Bro, ask what we're doing with our lives. I was gonna say something very terrible, but I just stopped myself.
Thank God you did. I know what you're about to say.
But
It's a kids channel.
oh, no, give me the hint.
Sniper only, bro. I chose AR.
I was gonna choose a sniper, but I swapped.
I chose
I-
AR.
I was gonna choose a sniper, but I swapped his burst.
Same here. Bro could have said it little.
I was choosing a sniper. Bro was like, yeah, I was gonna say it after he choosing it.
Oh wait, bro, he's actually good with sniper. How did you get the kill? I was backstabbed him.
Hey, yo! You did what? Okay, you're not my sniper only.
No, we are not doing sniper only. At least I'm not doing sniper only. I don't know how to use sniper. That's the thing.
Oh, yeah, the mobile.
Yeah, they're mobile. That's the reason they're doing sniper only. What do you expect them to be PC and do sniper only? One got cooked. Behind you, behind. Bro, let me. Okay, we are doing sniper only.
Now you want to quit, huh?
Now we are doing sniper. I will hit quick scopes. I can't hit anything else. I will hit quick scopes. The
You
only
can?
thing I can hit quick scopes. I can't hit long scopes, whatever they're called. He got cooked by you. Bro, let me get some. Bro, he just jumped off. Why? At least get.
Ahmed, because you were gonna kill him. And then when I just came and I was like, I came,
I
I
saw
saw,
and
and
I
left.
left.
Legitimately, I did that. Oh my gosh, he killed me.
Good, bro. Actually, proud of you. Proud of you, bro. Proud of you. You wanna die?
No.
That is not. That is not called.
How did you miss it? Oh my gosh, he's burned himself.
He's an idiot.
Bro, how did you miss that? That's my question.
Bro, that didn't matter fully. What the hell? My time got wasted on that.
He's below.
One guy
He's
just
below.
left.
Go stop.
I'm full. Type.
As soon as I die, you're cooked. That's
No,
bad, man.
it's because I was using sniper.
Yeah, just left.
If
Skip
it wasn't for it was mom, I gotta go get the milk.
Mom, listen to mom.
I did 50 damage. Yeah, I did my first damage of the game. 50 damage. I did 50 damage. You're oh wow, mobile versus mobile. Mobile cooked.
Quick scope. I'm not good with quick scoping, okay? And he is not in my range. That's your fault.
Okay, I'm very good with quick scoping. I have to admit that. Some oh wow, bro went to get the milk. Let bro doesn't want me to get the kills. How do I have 260 damage? How do I have 260 damage?
No. Emma, they sensed that you were gonna get the kill, so they left get the milk.
I think the game hates me. I'm just going off. Bye. You can kill her if you want. I'm making myself a sacrifice. I ain't even going to try. Oh, never mind.
What you doing? Fall off now. Go, jump off. Good boy.
No,
Jump off,
I'm
jump
good.
off, jump off.
No, I'd win.
Jump
No,
off,
I'd win.
bad boy, bad boy.
No, I'd win. No, never mind. I'm losing this. Pow!
Bro, genuinely, like he's not in my range. I can't snipe him.
You a piece of shit. You don't know how to do quick snipes.
No, I'm saying he's not in my range. Are you understanding range? Quick sniping.
Do you understand how was he in your range then? Logic of my bro. He's not in my range, but I'm on his range.
No, I came down and I don't know how to quick snipe. I just saw him behind you. I was like,